Hi Barry, my name is Joe. I work with Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher in the Google ranking, and bring in some of those leads you're missing out on. Okay, so first things first, Google loves big built-out websites, and they also love content. Content is king. All right, so the more words you have on your home page, the more words you have on your back page, you're better. Okay. So Google likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage alone. Okay, you're sitting at, I think it was a little over 100. Okay, so definitely need some work there. Just talk about what you do, right? We also want to put in keywords. Okay, keywords are what people are searching for in your area. All right, for example, small engine repair, Kansas City. Okay, that would be a keyword. And it's getting 90 search volumes per month, right? So if you start ranking for that one keyword, you could potentially get 90 search volumes per month, right? Which would be awesome. Now we also want to talk about your back pages, okay? Services. Each of your services needs to have its own page, right? And then they each need to have, 500 to 700 words plus, okay? So we want content and we want keywords. That's definitely what's going to help you rank faster and higher with Google. So if we go over to your competitor, okay, Smitty's Lawn and Garden Equipment, right? He does not have that much content on his homepage at all, right? He's doing a little over 200. Okay, you are doing a little over 100. So if we throw in that 1,500 to 2,000 words, you'll definitely blow this guy out of the water, for sure. Okay, he's ranking when you search up, his back page is ranking, okay? So this page right here is what's ranking when you search up that keyword. Okay, he has a lot of content back here. He has a little over 600, I believe, which really isn't that much, honestly. So he has 600. We'll throw on, 800 words back here, and you could easily outrank him. All right. He also has, some built-out pages. I saw you did too, so that's good. Okay, we just need to get the content on your get that content on your website, and get those keywords so you can start ranking for them. All right, next, citations. Okay, so this guy is the #1 on the local map rankings. Alright, sitting at 23 citations. Citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. Alright, the more you have, it's going to be easier for Google to rank you higher and faster in the local map listing, right? Which is very important, right? Because a lot of people click on the local map listing when they're searching for services, okay? So to beat this guy, we don't want to just get 23, right? We want to blow them out of the water in every area, including citations, right? So we usually double, maybe even triple citations, okay? Right, so when they find out that they're not on top anymore, which they will, because they're going to start losing leads, they're going to notice you, they're going to go do their research, and they're going to go hire an expert to go out there and get more citations. But if we have 60 citations on here, that's going to be a lot harder for them to sneak up on us and, get back to us, okay? So that's it for citations. Pretty short, simple. Backlinks, alright? This is the #3 thing I want to talk to you today. Backlinks are going to push power to your website. The more you have, good. The better quality you have, even better. Okay, we keep that in mind when searching for backlinks. Quality over quantity every time, alright? You can go out there and get 20 bad backlinks. I could go get 10 good quality backlinks, and my website's going to outrank you every day, every month. Alright? So as you can see, this is your information. You have 0 backlinks data coming to your website. Okay, so you have no power right now. Right? You're not going to get anywhere with backlinks if you don't have any. Okay? It's like having a car with no gas. All right? So we need backlinks, we need power to push us forward. If you come get your competitor, I'll show you what his looks like. Alright, so here we go, okay? Loading still. Alright, but you can see he has information, right? So he's getting power to his website, which is pushing him to the top, right? So here you go, 93 websites pushing him 365 backlinks, right? So that's power. That's good power, right? But to keep in mind, right, the quality over quantity. 365 backlinks, but what if we go out there and get good quality backlinks? Then we probably won't even need to get 365, alright? So definitely something to keep in mind. As you can see, 2,000 keywords that he's ranking for, and his organic traffic per month to his website is 587. Alright, that's life-changing, right? That would be awesome if we could get you to this #1 spot, right? What would that do for your life, for your business goals, for your personal goals, okay? So this should be exciting. Okay, this can be you, alright? But that's all we wanted to really talk about today for this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. Okay, go ahead and reach back out to us through Facebook or call or text 515-468-3039. Thanks.